हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। This appeal has been filed with a delay of 151 days full stop. The delay has been duly explained by the appellant stating that the same has been occasioned on account of obtaining the documents and also on account of ongoing pandemic of COVID-19 full stop. The delay has been explained satisfactorily full stop. The delay is condoned full stop para. National Insurance Company Limited, Lucknow in bracket appellant bracket out is in appeal against the judgment and order dated 15/1/2020 passed in claim petition number 805/2015 which was filed by the respondents who are legal heirs of the deceased, and the claim has been allowed and the appellant has been directed to pay rupees 4,73,200 along with interest at the rate of 8% per annum to the opposite parties full stop. Para. The award has been assailed primarily on the ground that driver of the motorcycle was not holding valid and effective driving license at the time of the incident. Therefore, appellant insurance company is liable to be absolved of its liability to indemnify the deceased full stop. Para. As per undisputed facts of the case, the said incident took place on 15/10/2015 when the deceased Srimati Rajrani alias Ganga Dei was returning from the temple to her house and was walking along village Kachhi road when at around 7 p.m. the offending motorcycle bearing number UP 32 GF 2868 being driven by Sarvesh Kumar Verma, who was driving on the wrong side, hit the deceased Srimati Rajrani, who was severely injured and was admitted in Galaxy Hospital where she succumbed to her injuries and died full stop. At the time of the incident, the deceased was 45 years old and was earning about rupees 6,000 per month by selling vegetables full stop. Para. Sarvesh Kumar Verma, opposite party number 7, was driver of the motorcycle full stop. By means of the present appeal, only solitary point which has been urged by learned counsel for the appellant is that the finding returned by the tribunal with regard to the validity of the driving license number RA 2646/ UNO issued to respondent number 7 is incorrect and perverse and is liable to be set aside full stop. Para. The tribunal has held that the license held by the driver was valid from 30/5/2008 to 29/5/2028 and respondent number 7 had also produced information obtained under Right to Information Act before the tribunal, on the basis of which the tribunal concluded that the driving license of Sarvesh Kumar Verma was valid and effective on the date of alleged occurrence full stop. Para. It has been submitted by learned counsel for the appellant that as per the information acquired by the insurance company from its inspector who conducted the investigation and submitted an inspection report, the said license of Sarvesh Kumar Verma could not be verified full stop. The appellants are solely relying upon this investigation report and have pleaded and vehemently urged that the license of Sarvesh Kumar Verma was invalid full stop. Over. तो दोस्तों ये 120 प्लस की स्पीड का डिक्टेशन है और इसमें सर्वेश कुमार वर्मा ही केवल आए हैं, है ना। तो कैसे होगा? सर्वेश कुमार वर्मा, आप सर्किल और अपवर्ड आर बना दीजिए और वी का स्ट्रोक बना के सर्किल लगा दीजिए। ये सर्वेश हो गया। कुमार तो बता ही चुके हैं, वर्मा भी इजी है ना। और ज्ञान देई है, ये देवी नहीं है, ज्ञान देई DEI, ठीक है। मतलब सॉरी ज्ञानदेही है नहीं, गंगादेही है। गंगा भी नॉर्मल है, गे एंड गे, ठीक है। और एक है कच्ची रोड, कच्ची हमने बोल दिया था, कच्ची रोड है। कच्ची भी के और चे बना दीजिए बस, और तो कुछ है नहीं इसमें। राज रानी जो है, राज रानी तो क्या कहते हैं, वैसे पूरा बन जाएगा, वो आसान भी रहेगा। आर जे, आर अपवर्ड, फिर एन, ई की वॉवल, है ना। और तो कुछ है नहीं, 2 मिनट का रेस्ट कर लीजिए, उसके बाद हम देते हैं क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन है। वो जो नए लोग हों वो सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक कर दीजिएगा, शेयर कर दीजिएगा, और जो पुराने लोग हैं वो लाइक कर दीजिए प्लीज़, और जिसने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हो वो कर दे, ठीक है। बाकी जो है जो कमेंट सेक्शन में आप देंगे, और हाँ वो 115 और 100 की डिक्टेशन वाले जो मतलब जिन्होंने कहा है, तो देखिए ये 120 की स्पीड का डिक्टेशन है, आप 120 लेंगे, 115 110 आपका बहुत इजीली कवर होगा, ठीक है। ये रूल होता है शॉर्ट हैंड का। ज़्यादा की जो आपको चाहिए है उससे ज़्यादा की स्पीड में आप ट्राई करोगे तो आपका कम की स्पीड का डिक्टेशन फाइन होता जाएगा, ठीक है। तो 110 115 की डिक्टेशन हम डालेंगे एग्ज़ाम के अकॉर्डिंग। अभी थोड़ा एग्ज़ाम जो लग रहा है उसके हिसाब से डालते हैं, तो इस वजह से सिर्फ एक ही वैरायटी अपने पास अवेलेबल है इस वक्त, हो जाएगी दूसरी भी। चलिए फिर डिक्टेशन दूसरा क्रिमिनल मैटर के लिए तैयार हो जाइए, ठीक है। उसके बाद शुरू, चलिए फिर 5 सेकंड में शुरू कर रहे हैं, ठीक। स्टार्ट। Heard, learned counsel for the applicant and learned AGA for the state, full stop, para. This application has been filed for setting aside the entire proceeding of complaint case number 1946 of 2016 in bracket Pawan Kumar versus Deepak Jha, bracket out, under section 138 of Negotiable Instruments Act, Police Station Prem Nagar, District Jhansi, arising out of impugned summoning order dated 22/2/2019, passed by learned Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate Court number 2, Jhansi, as well as to set aside the impugned summoning order dated 22/2/2019, full stop, para. Record reflects that a complaint under section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument Act was filed on 15/12/2016 by opposite party number 2, Pawan Kumar Jain, against the applicant, herein alleging dishonoring of check on the ground of insufficiency of fund, full stop. The magistrate concerned, after recording the statement of the complainant as well as witnesses under sections 200 and 202 CRPC, wide impugned order dated 22/2/2019, has summoned the applicant, full stop, para. While assailing the impugned summoning order, contention of learned counsel for the applicant is that the magistrate has not applied judicial mind in passing the summoning order, as the order has been made on a printed pro forma in which the name of the accused has been filled up by hand, full stop, para. Relying upon the decision of this court in Ankit versus State of UP and another, submission of the learned counsel for the applicants is that the order impugned, being on a printed pro forma, is clearly without application of judicial mind and hence is liable to be quashed on this ground alone, full stop, para. Learned AGA has also admitted that the order impugned has been passed on the printed pro forma, and therefore, keeping in view the decision in the case of Ankit (bracket Supra bracket out), the magistrate concerned may be directed to pass a fresh order, full stop, para. I have considered the arguments so advanced by learned counsel for the applicant and learned AGA and also perused the record, full stop, para. The certified copy of the order summoning the accused has been appended as Annexure 3, full stop. From a perusal of the above order, it is evident that it is a typed pro forma where only information of case number, name of parties, section, date and next date is to be filled by magistrate in handwriting, full stop. It appears that the blanks in the printed pro forma have been filled up by some court employee and the magistrate namely Shri Manoj Kumar Tiwari, Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate, Court Number 2, Jhansi, has thereafter just put his initial, which leads to the conclusion that the magistrate has passed the order in a mechanical manner without application of judicial mind, full stop. Despite there being a series of decisions of the apex court and this court disapproving such practice of passing orders on printed pro forma by the judicial officers, it is very painful and unfortunate to see that applicant, full stop, over. तो दोस्तों ये भी हो गया 120 से प्लस की स्पीड में, ठीक है। वैसे ये बोलते हुए तो इजी लग रहा था, लिखते समय आप लोग बताइएगा कमेंट करके कैसा है। अंकित आया इसमें, अंकित जो है NK और T बनेगा अबव द लाइन, ठीक है। और तो कोई नाम, हाँ मनोज कुमार तिवारी सबसे इजी नाम होगा हमारे ख्याल से, ठीक है। MNJ और उसी में KR जोड़ दीजिए उसको। और तिवारी के लिए क्या कीजिए, T थ्रो द लाइन बनाइए और वे मतलब W के स्ट्रोक की डबलिंग कर दीजिए और E की वॉवल लगा दीजिए, तिवारी हो जाएगा, है ना। बाकी तो और कोई नाम है नहीं इसमें, याद तो नहीं आ रहा है। और कौन सा नाम, पवन कुमार जैन, पवन भी इजी है। P बनाइए अबव द लाइन, वे और N का हुक, पवन हो गया, ठीक है। तो बताइएगा कमेंट करके कैसा लगा, कैसा है, क्या क्या अच्छा हो सकता है। और वैरायटी में डिक्टेशंस मिलेंगी कुछ टाइम के बाद मिलेंगी, ठीक है। चलिए फिर मिलते हैं अगले डिक्टेशन में। थैंक यू।